Nick Kyrgios was not happy with CA's decision to hold Jannik Sinner's trial behind closed doors. The hearing on the Clostebol case involving the Italian will be held on April 16 and 17 in Lausanne before the Court of Arbitration for Sport. The announcement was made directly by the CAS, to which WADA turned when it appealed the verdict issued by the ITIA Independent Tribunal. The ATP number 1 was initially acquitted, but the case is still open due to the appeal of the World Anti-Doping Agency, which is asking for a 1 to 2 year suspension for the Italian. The president of the panel, Jacques Radux, has also been appointed. He is a Luxembourg lawyer with a tennis background, considering that in 1991 he reached the number 458 position in the world ranking. The trial will be held behind closed doors because neither party has requested a public hearing, a news that Kyrgios commented on X to criticize once again the work on the Sinner case. Why behind closed doors? If you have done nothing wrong, then let there be transparency, wrote the Australian. This is not only the dig launched by Kyrgios in these hours. The Canberra native in fact wanted to respond to a post that reported the words of Andy Roddick. The former American tennis player called him a hypocrite and an influencer rather than a tennis player. Hypocrite. I have never failed a drug test, reiterated Kyrgios. Sinner, who will defend his title at the 2025 Australian Open, will play the Happy Slam knowing that his fate will be decided only in mid-April. Many experts believe that a 1 to 2 year ban is unlikely, but that a 2 to 6 month ban is more likely. We also recall Kyrgios attacked Jannik since last 20 August 2024, when the Clostebol doping matter became public knowledge. From then, the Australian began his crusade against the Italian, to be precise, not against Jannik per se, but against the disparity of treatment between the ATP number 1 and other tennis players who did not receive the same treatment because they were far from the top positions of the ATP ranking.